Hello everyone, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to use our new ice making machine. So it's made out of an ABS material. It's very sleek, very nice to look at, perfect for the minimalistic home. And then at the top over here we have a beautiful viewing window so you can see your ice being made. And then when you lift it up, it comes with a basket as well as a scoop. And then at the bottom over here, we have a 1.3 liter water tank, and it has a 1 liter capacity for the ice. It can make up to 12 kilograms of ice in 24 hours and 9 bullet ice cubes within 6 to 8 minutes. It's really powerful and it is not very loud, so you can actually make ice while sleeping. Over here, you can actually change the size of the ice cubes that you want to make. So you can either choose between small, medium, and large. It also has a really great cleaning function. So it cleans itself, so you don't need to go and clean it by the hand. It will clean itself. You only put on the cleaning function and then voila! At the back of the ice machine, you can actually see all its functions. It includes the power supply, the rated power, and then all the extra information you need to know. It's a really powerful machine. So a really great feature, which I think is really unique to ice making machines, is it made out of a cyclopentane gas tank. So please make sure to keep it away from any fire, any hazardous equipment, electrical equipment. Okay guys, so that is it. Your new best friend for the summer, our ice making machine from Heartdeco. Be sure to shop it online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.